This is Swami. Welcome to Code by Swami. In the previous video, we discussed and implemented annotation approach based applications. In this video, I am going to introduce with you about Java configuration approach. Spring Container can also take configuration in Java format instead of XML. It is introduced in 3.x Spring 3.x version, which works faster than XML and easy to work and easy to write the code. Java configuration annotations. Spring has provided two basic annotations for Java configuration. One is @configuration, second one is @bin. To represent our own class as configuration class, we need to use @configuration. Means to create customized configuration in the project, then we can go for @configuration. @bin, which is responsible to create the object, then we can go for @bin. Here mainly IOC container can detects and it will give the first preference to the configuration classes only. Next, steps to implement Java configuration. First of all, define one public class and apply configuration annotation on top of class level. Define one method. Here, number of beans is equal to number of methods, means one bean represents one method. Like that, we need to define the methods and apply @bin annotation on top of method. Like that, we can go for Java configuration. Okay, let's move to Eclipse IDE to implement the application for Java configuration. Let's move, guys. File, new, Maven project. Create the simple Maven project by clicking this checkbox. Next, give the package name com.codebyswami. Artifact ID I am giving 05 Java config app. I am writing like this. I am giving version 1.0. Click finish. Yes, the project is created. Go to the browser mvnrepository.com and search with the Spring Context. Search with the Spring Context. I am taking 5.3.13 version. Copy the dependency and go to pom.xml and add dependency. Above the dependency, we need to add Maven compiler plugin Java 8. I'm adding Maven compiler plugin Java 8. Maven compiler plugin Java 8. I'm copying complete details with the properties. Copy and paste above the dependency stack. AIS, close it. Let's update the project. Click on the project. Alt Fi is a shortcut to update the project. Click on this checkbox and OK. Now this is changed and required dependencies are added to the project. See if you want like that. Now I am creating bean class. Right click new class. I am writing student. One bean I am writing com dot code by Swami dot. I am writing package like this dot beans. I am defining some variables like private integer std student id, private string std name, private double std fee. Like this, I defined three properties. For this, I am writing default constructor alt shift so deselect all generate. See here it is generated. Alt shift sr select all generate. I am generating setters and getters. Alt shift ss generate generated toString method. Means now I am ready with the student class. Means my bean class is completed. Next I need configuration class. In the previous videos we developed XML based configurations, but this is Java configuration. For that, don't go for XML. Develop the configurations using Java only. Means I'm writing one class called app-config. I'm writing the configuration package name also. I'm changing like, yeah. Already I shown in the PPT. Write one public class and apply at the rate configuration annotation on top of class level. Write one method represents one bean, public student std obj. Like this I'm writing. On top of this, at the rate bean, on top of method I'm writing at the rate bean. If you not mention this, then IOC will not create the object. Then student is equal to new student. Means I created the object and I return student return student. Like this I import it, and I want to set the data like student dot set student id. For example, like this, student dot set a name. I'm writing Swami. Student dot set a fee. I'm writing some 8500 like that. Okay, now I have done with configuration file also. So this time you have to use this method name. You have to use this method name. Yes, now I'm ready with the bean class as well as configuration class. Now I'm writing main class test class. Inside that I'm writing main method new annotation config application context. Annotation config application context op config dot class. Op config dot class returns application context. Returns application context dot get bean of. This time I'm writing student dot class. Here I'm using the method name here to get the object. It returns student object. Finally I'm printing sysout student object. Let's run the application. I'm running the application. See, automatically the data is injected. Here I have taken this std obj. This is the method name in application app config java config method name. I'm taking this. Okay, I created bean class and I created configuration class. In that configuration class I'm taking this method name into this main class. This is the application context is a IOC container. If you want to open, this is the interface. If you want to know its implementation class, like this. If you want to go inside it, here we are using annotation config application context. This is for annotation as well as Java configuration. Now this is a Java configuration. We achieved Java configurations also. Thank you everyone. If you like my content, please do subscribe. Thank you.